Hey guys, hi, assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel FIZA the Pride Guide. I'm FIZA and for today's video I'm gonna be doing this look right here. So yeah guys, this is basically my easiest go to glam makeup look जिसको आप बहुत easily carry कर सकते हैं. And guys, ये बहुत easy है achieve करना. You just need a bronzer for this and you're good to go. And guys, आपको एक अलग से eyeshadow palette लेने की बिल्कुल भी नीड नहीं है. I've applied this lipstick. आप चाहें तो कोई भी अपनी favorite lipstick use कर सकते हैं. And guys, this will complement every outfit out there, whether it is sari, suit, jeans, everything. And आप इसको किसी भी occasion पे carry कर सकते हैं, whether it is outing, birthday party or any wedding, like seriously. And guys, if you're interested. And guys, without me much blabbering about this, let's get jump right into the video.
I'm starting off by prepping my face, and for this I'm using my Good Vibes का Rosehip Serum. And guys, as the name suggests, ये मेरे फेस को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्लोई और ड्यूई बना देता है. ये डलनेस, ड्राइनेस और पैचीनेस को दूर करता है. एंड मेन चीज़ ये बिल्कुल भी स्टिकी नहीं है, तो ये समर्स में बेस्ट है. आई एम मसाजिंग दिस इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन यू गाइज, ताकि मेरे फेस को एक अपवर्ड लिफ्ट भी मिले. एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी द ग्लो गाइज. Now gonna take this T4.5 shade from my Derma Kralin palette and gonna use it as my foundation. And guys, your foundation shade must be exactly matching to your skin tone and skin color. If you put a fair tone foundation, it will make you look ashier or grey, which obviously doesn't look good at all. Now gonna blend this seamlessly with my flat top kabuki brush. Guys, do take time in blending, as if blending is a key to good makeup. ये आपके फेस को बहुत ही flawless और seamless बना देता है, कोई demarcation line नहीं रहती. And guys, do not forget your ears, neck and hairline. It is the most important step. Now gonna take my Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 03 Light Moyen and gonna apply it as my highlighting concealer. I'm applying it on my chin, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, middle of the forehead and on the under eye area to just brighten up a little bit. Now gonna take my Damp Beauty blender and gonna seamlessly blend everything out. And again, do take time in blending to avoid any demarcation line. Now gonna set my base, and for this I'm using my Blue Heaven का Sapphire Loose Powder in the shade Natural and gonna take this in my fluffy powder brush and मैं अपने पूरे face, neck सबको set कर लूँगी बहुत अच्छे से so that it won't crease. Now gonna take Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 325 Cream Beige and gonna use it as a bronzer. I'm applying it in the hollows of my cheeks, on my jawline and also on my temple area. I know बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारी confusion है between bronzer and contour. And guys, if you want a separate video on bronzing and contouring, so please let me know in the comment section down below, or you can DM me on my Insta page. I'll provide my Insta handle and link into the description box down below, so you guys can go and check it out. Now gonna contour my nose a little bit, and for this I'm using this slanting small fluffy brush. Small brush से nose contouring बहुत ज़्यादा easy and precise हो जाती है. So if you are a beginner, then do your contour like this and see wonders. Now gonna take that same brush and same bronzer and gonna apply it in my crease area to create a little bit depth. Guys, do take time in this and slowly build up the intensity of the color so that ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा gradient and soft look दे. And I'm blending this very nicely in windshield wiper motion and small circular motion. Now gonna take this matte pink shade from e.l.f. blush palette and gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks to give it a nice, healthy and fleshy look. Now gonna highlight my face and for this I'm using Revolution Shimmer Brick and इसको मैं अपने उन areas पर place करूँगी where the sun would naturally hit the face, such as my cheekbone, cupid's bow, chin, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose and my brow bone and on the temples of the area. Basically we apply highlighter on the highest points of our face. And guys, do take time in blending this too for soft and gradient look and to avoid any patchiness, streakiness or any straight line. It will definitely not gonna look good at all if your highlighter is just a straight line. Now gonna take this stiff flat brush and gonna take the silver highlighter from the same shimmer brick and gonna pop this into my inner corners a little bit. And here the magic begins. It instantly converts my basic makeup to a little extra and glam one, and also it makes an illusion of an awakening eye look. Now gonna curl my lash with an eyelash curler to give it a slight lift. Do always take extra precaution while doing this, otherwise you will definitely gonna pinch your skin. Now gonna apply generous amount of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I've skipped an eyeliner, you can obviously use one, it's totally up to you. And also I'm not applying any falsies today, you can obviously use one and apply one, it's totally up to your preferences. Now gonna lastly apply lipstick and gonna complete my whole look. I've applied this lipstick, you can obviously use your favorite one. And yeah guys, this is my final look and that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you found this helpful, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Your every like, comment, share and subscribe means a lot to me and it motivates me a lot and also inspires me to do more hard work. And yeah guys, do also check out my Insta feed too and follow me up there. I'll provide my Insta handle and link into the description box down below so you guys can go and check it out and follow me up there. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.